What's up, you guys? It's Kaylee. Welcome back to this week's video. So this week we are doing a paint with me. So yeah, let's get into this week's video. So the first thing you're going to need is obviously a canvas to paint on. That's the first of the supplies. Then this little like dish tray thing to put your paints in. And then you're gonna need paintbrushes, any size, I don't know, yeah, just paintbrushes. And then you're obviously gonna need some paints. I use acrylic paints when painting on canvases. So right here, I'm just looking at ideas and like stuff like that, like backgrounds and stuff, to figure out what to paint. And then I settled on this like sun and then the quote sunflower my eyes, but I didn't end up using the quote, as you can see later in the video. And now I'm just cutting up those letters that I didn't even use, and now I'm using that little paint thing to trace, and now I'm just sketching out the design of the sun and stuff like that. Okay, so here's the finished thing. I'm not an artist, so this is as good as it's gonna get. And now I'm just starting out with the background color of yellow and like neatly painting around the sun. And now I'm going with a smaller brush to get more into detail around the sun area with a yellow. And then here is the finished background. Looks quite good, I guess. Then I'm going with white and just outlining and coloring in that sun as well. And then this is what like the first coat looks like, and then I go in with a second coat, and here's the finished project. I hope you guys liked this week's video, and I will see you next week. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.